Epcot's Festival of the Holidays upon us, and we're going to go check out some of the things they have in store for you if you visit.
He has his sweater on.
I'm super excited. We get to meet Figment for the first time since he's been here. We have not got to meet him since they started meeting with him, so I'm super excited. I'm super excited that we get to meet Figment. We get to meet Figment.
Hi, Figment.
Goodbye, Figment. During the Festival of the Holidays, they actually have Christmas lights on the land. So that's what we're going to do right now. So we got the meat assorti, which is that one, and the grilled, roasted porchetta. Looks really, really good. Really, really good. So yeah, that is the meat assorti, and that is the porchetta. So how is it?
Very good.
Is that the porchetta?
You can taste that olive oil.
You can taste olive oil?
Yes, but it's very, very good. Good flavor.
Yeah, it looks really, really good. Okay, now I need to try it. Is that onions?
The middle is very tender.
That onions on it and stuff? Or is that
This
arugula?
is solid, yes.
Okay.
The middle is very tender. Very good.
Okay, let me try the middle then. Okay, here we go.
Yeah, aren't they pass to get into the car?
Oh yeah.
I know it's somewhat ancient.
Oh, that's so good. Oh yeah.
There's the outside, just so you can compare.
Let's see outside. Oh yeah, way more tender in the middle, but so good. So that was salami that you just...
Salami.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it looks like salami, maybe porchetta. Or not porchetta.
It's very
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, that looks really good. Arugula salad.
Yeah, very good.
Okay, now I'm gonna have to try some of the meats. Ugh. That is really good. It's like a meat plate. So, if you like meat plates, get a meat plate. So now we got the tamale and the, what is it? The, what kind of churro was it? Dulce de leche churro. There we go. That is really heavy. That is a heavy churro. And that just looks delicious. So we're going to try it to see if it's good.
Oh my goodness. So deep.
How is it?
Very authentic tasting.
Yeah. It sounded good.
The meat is good.
It's like
very
some
tender.
kind of beef.
But the top is chocolate, so that
Chocolate?
Yes, so that
Oh.
threw me off a little bit. But it's very good. It's good.
Now I'm gonna try it because chocolate and beef. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Gonna try it.
Is
That
it
is-
chocolate?
I don't know, but it tastes really good. Yeah, that's really good. Now it's time for the churro. That is so good. That is so good.
Oh my god. Oh wow. It's filled the inside
That's what I thought.
It's filled.
That's what I thought.
It's not just the outside. The inside has the filling in it. And it's
Like
very
dulce
warm
de
and it's
leche
very
inside.
good.
Yes, it is
Yeah.
super good.
Very,
That
very
is delicious.
Very good.
Yeah, yummy. So we are at the Holiday Hearth Desserts in the Odyssey, and there's Santa Claus right over there. You can meet him. But we got the red velvet mini bundt cake, the salted caramel spaceship earth cookie, the mint chocolate mousse reef. Let's see, there we go, and the frozen chocolate, frozen caramel heart chocolate. So yeah, we got a lot. Oh wait, no, hold on, I forgot. And we got the apple caramel crumb cake too. We got a lot of stuff with this one. It all looked really good, so we're like, we didn't try a lot of it. Okay, she's gonna try. What are you trying first? Oh, your thing that you wanted. The bundt cake. No, the reef. The reef. That's a.
Maybe.
How was that?
Tastes like peppermint ice cream.
Peppermint ice cream?
Yes. Very good. Okay, that's good. Very cool in your mouth.
Is
Very
it?
smooth.
It's mousse. Okay,
Yes,
yeah.
But it tastes like peppermint ice cream. Yes. Very, very good.
Yummy. I need to try some of that. Let's try some of this mousse. Yep, wow. That's really smooth. It is really smooth. It tastes like you're eating like peppermint ice cream. So good. That's really good. Let's see what's next. Okay, now we're going to try this bundt cake, and it has a little candy cane and stuff, wreath thing, whatever, I don't even know what you call it, but it's chocolate and she wants it, so she gets it. There you go. That was the chocolate. Good. Now let's try this red velvet bundt cake. Hold on. Okay, let's try the red velvet bundt cake.
Loud.
That is super good. That is standing in the background. Holy. That's really good. The red velvet cake is really moist. It's a cream cheese, like frosting on top of it. It is really, really good. That's really good.
Oh, that cream cheese icing is very good.
Yeah.
That makes that
Yes.
cream cheese icing.
Yeah, that's cream cheese frosting right there. It is delicious. Have you tried
That makes it very good.
Yeah, have you tried the hot chocolate, frozen hot chocolate, which is a kind of like an oxymoron?
Okay, it tastes like a Frosty from Wendy's.
Oh, really?
It's like a Frosty from Wendy's. Very good.
I like it to try she said it was like a Frosty. It is like a Frosty. It's like a Frosty at Wendy's. It's really good. And I think it has like Heath bar on top of it. I don't know. But really good. Now the salted caramel spaceship Earth. It looks so cute. Look at this thing. It's like spaceship Earth. It's a cookie. It's like a double, has 2 layers to the cookie. That is delicious. That's a lot of sugar on top of that. That's really good. The inside's really good.
Very rich. Yeah. Very good. Very sweet.
Yeah.
Good.
Santa's over there talking to some of the kids. Yeah, that's really good. There's a lot of sugar on top of that. Let's see if she likes it. Is it faith approved? Yes, it's good?
Yes.
Now the apple crumb cake. That's really cute too. But, oh, I got some caramel on my finger. Caramel's really good. Let's try it. Let's try this caramel. That's some good apple pie.
Do I see some nice treats here?
You want some?
Only if I could. But Mrs. Claus does not let me eat when my beard's nice looking.
It does look very nice.
Because I sometimes miss my mouth. Sometimes the elves say, Santa, you have food in your beard. And I have to think real quick, and I say, I'm saving it for later.
I do that on purpose sometimes.
Well, you know what? I think all of you are on the nice side.
Oh, good. That's good.
Okay.
Yay! That is really good. That's really good.
Almost like a breakfast.
Yeah,
style.
it's
But
really
very
good.
Very good.
Yeah. We got a annual pass holder frost, like a slushy type thing. It's really cute. It has fake powdered sugar stuff on it. It's a blue raspberry. It has little snowflakes in it too. Yay! And it comes in this little cup, Minnie, Mickey. Yay! It's really cute. This is some of the merchandise for the Festival of the Holidays. This is the Spirit jersey. Yay. Then you got a Festival of the Holidays bag right here. That's fun. This is $85. So if you want that, it's $85. The Spirit jersey, by the way, is $80, $79.99. And then you have the annual pass holder stuff. There is a cute pin, pass holder pin, that is $19.99. Then you have this Festival of the Holidays hoodie. It's like a jacket hoodie. Yay. Oh, that's really nice. And that is $54.99. And you probably get your annual pass holder discount too, so it's cheaper than that. And then you have the normal Festival of the Holiday pins, not pass holder wise. And that's $17.99. So if you want a pass holder one, it's $2 more. Which probably equals out to $17.99 after the discount. Wow, what a coincidence. And here's another pin. This one is $19.99. So hold on. This one's $19.99. This one's $17.99. What's the difference? Why is one $2 more? That one seems bigger than this one, but it's $2 cheaper. I don't even know. But yeah, $19.99, $17.99. There you go. And then you have a corksicle cup. This is really cute. Festival of the Holidays cup. Yeah. Really cute. And then what is that, a cookie jar? Oh, the cookie stroll. The cookie stroll that they have. Yeah, that's really cute. And then a mug. Season's Greetings Epcot International Festival of the Holidays mug. Yay, that's nice. Let's see, the mug is $19.99. The cookie jar, let me not drop it, is $39.99. And the corksicle, which is probably very expensive because it's a corksicle, $49.99. So there you go. Those are the three prices for those three things right here. It's a Hulk nutcracker. It's an Incredible Hulk nutcracker. This is heavy. Holy cow. Ooh, it's really heavy, but that's funny. It is $64.99 if you want an Incredible Hulk nutcracker. That's great. And if you get the nutcracker, you can also get a shirt to match it for your child. And this is I'm going to guess the cookie stroll that you go. You get this little map, probably get some stickers on all the cookies that you take, and then you get a cookie cutter, looks like. That looks fun. You get Olaf in the snowflake, or Anna and a snowflake, or Sven and a snowflake, and Elsa and a snowflake. You might be able to do it more than once and get more than one of these cookie cutter things. Well, that was a fun little night trip to the Festival of the Holidays. I will definitely be back sometime this week to film throughout the World Showcase during the day, but it was really good food, really fun. I will see you guys next time. Remember to love yourselves and each other. Bye-bye.
What? No,
Hey,
no, not him.
pick me.
No,
Pick me over here. Hey,
me.
no, not
Watch
him.
this video next.
Pick me.
Not
Pick me.
him. This one.
Get,
This one.
watch this video.
Wanna
Watch this video.
it?
Pick me. Pick me. Pick me.
Watch this one. Click
But
on this
no,
one.
not him. Not him.
No,
Pick
you
me.
want
Pick me.
to.
Right here, right here, right here, right here.
Come on.
Right here, right here, right here.
Come
Pick
on.
this. Pick this. Pick this. Pick this.